You guys have obviously proved yourself worthy to be at this stage of the competition, but it's only going to get tougher. Just to remind you of what's at stake, the winner of the TasteMaster will walk away with 100,000 rands worth of AEG equipment.
Those fancy fridges that look like the cupboard of Narnia. I mean, how incredible.
That will really complement my kitchen. Full of KitchenAid appliances and AEG appliances. Just say.
Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, get baking.
I love the oven, it bakes everything so perfectly. Look at my scones, they're so cute. I'm so excited to taste one.
These beer breads actually baked so well in this oven. Look at him go.
Okay, so you're not going to take any shortcuts. You're going to actually bake your rooster cook on the flame of the stove.
Ons gaan braai vandag.
Ons gaan braai.
Rolling the tacos, frying the tacos, frying the donuts.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
multi-talented.
Yeah.
If I was an octopus, it would do right now, but let's try being ambidextrous.
The only thing better than one AEG oven is 2 AEG ovens at different temperatures.
Making these decisions are so tough. You're literally 1 point away from either being top of the class or bottom of the class. The top baker for this week, Max. Well done.
And Max, of course, you're walking away with a brand new 8 kilogram AEG heat pump tumble dryer. Well done.
Yay, thank you.
Lesejo.
I want.
Well, Lesejo, that's not all. Of course, you will also be walking away with a 508-litre AEG side-by-side fridge with a built-in water dispenser. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nolan.
Walking away with an 8 kilogram AEG Pro Steam washing machine. Congratulations.
Thank you. Another kind of feeling altogether. I've never won anything by myself. I'm like over the moon.
Why not order from your oven? With precision, raise your standards and make it matter. AEG. Challenge the expected.